Alright, so this time we're going to do a Mountain Dew comparison. We're going to do regular versus diet. Alright, so let's open them up and see if there's a color difference or smell or taste difference. Alright, so let's see here. Let's open both of them. Sounds different. Alright, let's go ahead and pour them in. Fizzes differently a little bit. Maybe just because I poured it differently. Alright, so let's take a look. Bubbles on the side of the cup. I'm trying to see the yellowness. Looks about the same. Alright, let's take a taste. Okay. This one tastes, has a little less flavor, I think. It's hard to describe. I don't know how I would describe it. When I drink them like right after each other, it's hard to say, but this has somewhat of, I don't know, a creamy feel, but it's weird because it's not creamy. And this has more of a watery like feel. Not flavor wise, but like when it goes on my tongue. Like it creates a slight film. I don't know. Yeah, this for some reason it feels like more watery. Smell wise, can't tell. Actually, smell wise I think the same thing. This smells more like water. This has more of a smell to it, I think. Yeah, okay, so apparently diet, at least the cans that I have right now, I don't know how old these cans are. Well, it says June 7th, 21, so it is expired by a month. Actually, that might be the problem. This one, it says February, so I'm drinking expired soda right now. I mean, it's expired by a few months. I don't think the few months would change it that much different, but I don't know, I could be wrong. But definitely this has more of a water, I wouldn't say it's the flavor. I don't know, it's the texture or something. Like this gets my saliva more like, I don't know. I don't know how I would describe it. Other than this feels more like water when it goes down my throat and in my mouth. And this like gets my saliva or I don't know, mucus glands or whatever. It's very strange. You'll have to like try the test yourself and see if it has the same feeling. Okay. Taste wise, they're pretty similar. But again, that like the diet one, it has a lighter, refreshing like water to it. It's kind of weird. Also, there's like almost no smell. I don't know. It's hard to tell. You'll have to try the experiment yourself and see if you have the same experience. So, Here you can see the difference. Actually, let me zoom in so it's not as blurry. There we go. So this has 170 calories. This has 0, of course, because it's diet. Let me clean off the stuff there. Okay, no fat in either one. I know it's hard to read this one. Sodium, this has 60 grams. The diet has 50, right? No carbs. This one has 46 grams of carbs, 46 grams of sugar. This has no sugar. Okay, no protein, of course. All right, so let's see what the ingredients. Excuse me. Carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup. This has carbonated water and can't read that. It's so concentrated orange juice citric acid. Wait, how can they have... Is that a comment? Yeah, that is. How can they have concentrated orange juice in here, but then there's no sugar at all? Orange juice has sugar in it, even concentrated, so I don't get how that works. Citric acid, natural flavor, potassium benzoate, preserves preserves freshness, citrus pectin, aspartame, or however you say it. That's how it gets the sweetness. Potassium citrate, okay, caffeine, sodium citrate. I can't read that. Ace sulfate. Oh, it's too hard to read through the camera. What is it? Ace sulfame. Okay, potassium, sucralose, gum arabic. What? Gum arabic. Sodium benzoate preserves freshness. Calcium disodium EDTA to protect flavor, and yellow 5. All right. Maybe the orange juice concentrate is for the color. I don't know, because it's yellow. If they put actual orange juice, that's enough. It would turn orange. So they probably just put a little for color, I guess. So corn syrup, concentrated orange juice also in here. So I don't know. Citric acid, natural flavor, sodium benzoate, preserves freshness, caffeine, sodium citrate, gum arabic, erythorbic acid, preserves freshness, calcium disodium EDTA to protect flavor, and yellow 5. This one has calcium here, 54 milligrams. That's not good. Now I'm not going to be able to sleep. And this one doesn't say anything about caffeine. I don't know what phenylalanine here is. Phenylchloronics. What is this? Phenylketonuronix contains phenylalanine. I don't know. I don't know what that... I can't read that. I don't know what that means or what that is. If anyone knows, let me know. And yeah. Alright, that's pretty much it. That's the end of this review. Flavor is very similar, but again, the diet has more of a light water feel to it, and then this has like coats your tongue in at least that's what it does to me. I don't know. Alright, that's all there is to this, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.